Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We are going to learn about number system in this video. So when you take mathematics, there are different types of number that are being employed in various operations. The first one is natural numbers, the second one is whole numbers, then integers, then comes the rational numbers, then an odd person called as irrational number, and finally all these numbers will come under a single head which is called as a real number. So all these numbers are called as a real number. So these are the types of real numbers. So what is a natural number? So the numbers which has from 1, 2, 3, and it will be keep on going, right? And the numbers will never end. So the set of numbers which starts from 1 and it goes to infinity is known as a natural number. So the second number is called as a whole number. So it consists all the element of natural number. Along with that, it will have a 0. So when you have 0 that is being added with the natural number, then that numbers are called as a whole number. So the set of numbers will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and it will be keep on going as it never ends. Now the third numbers are called as integers. Now how will you represent the temperature inside a freezer? It will be obviously less than 0. So the numbers that are used to represent less than the 0 value is called as a negative number. So the set of numbers which has all the positive numbers which has 0, so that is the whole number, plus the negative numbers. Right? So when the negative numbers are added or considered along with the whole number, then it is known as an integer. So we'll have from negative infinity to positive infinity. You'll have -4, -3, -2, and all the positive numbers. Next comes the rational number. Now, let us take an example. You may have cell phones in your home. So, you may have one phone or two phone. You may not have one and a half phone, right? Now, look at this example. A dosa is cut into two. So, two persons have added one large dosa and they are going to have half for each. So, how do you represent this? So, this could be represented with the help of a fractions. So, when fractions are considered along with the integers, it is known as a rational number, that is -1, -0.5, 0, 1, 1.5, and it will go on. So any number which is of the form p by q is known as a rational number, where p and q are integers. So p and q are supposed to be integers. Then there comes the last type of number, rational number. Now any number that cannot be represented as the ratio of two integers is called as an irrational number. Now, take an example of root 2. We cannot write root 2 as root 2 by 1. The numerator root 2 is not an integer. Any fraction that will not fit into the rational number is called as an irrational number. So, the first one is a natural number. The second type of number is called as a whole number. The third one is an integer, where we represent the negative numbers. The fourth one is a rational number, where you have the fractions. Then the fifth one, which is an odd person, which stands alone, is an irrational number. So all this number comes under one roof, which is called as a real number. Now, if you see the figure, all the natural numbers is inside the whole number. The whole numbers are inside the integers are inside the rational number box, and all the numbers are inside the real number box. So if you take any natural number, all that numbers will be a whole number. If you take any whole number, all the whole numbers will be an integers. Same way, any integer can be named as a rational number, but not vice versa, because all the rational numbers are not integers. So this is the brief about the types of numbers. Thank you. Happy learning.